In this new video tutorial, I will show you how you can put numbers in pictures in PPT slide. So first open the PPT slide and then click on the insert on the top menu bar and click the pictures from your computer device. So for example, I'm selecting this photo and make it resize and place onto the slide. And now make a duplicate copy just to show numbers. So once you are happy with the photo, image, placement and size, then select the first image and head to the insert and go to the shapes and pick the oval shapes and draw the shapes onto the picture, and then right click and click on edit text and type the first number. You can select by Control A or you can manually select it. Go to the home and make it bold and change the color as per your choice, but I'm right now selecting the white color. And now you can also select it and go to the shape format and change the shape styles of the shapes you selected. So right now I'm selecting this one, and now Control D and place onto the second image and change the number to 2, and then again Control D and paste onto the third, and again Control D and place onto the fourth image and change the number to 4, and again Control D and paste onto the image 5 and change the number 5, and then again Control D to paste on the image to number 6 and change the number to 6. So in this way you can easily put numbers in picture in PPT slides. So if you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.